breakfast bago sumakay ng train. Yola, what are you eating? Nuggets? How about your nanay? Nigiri also?
Favorite.
How about Ayori? Oh, nuggets. Okay. And coffee. Ikaw, Robs, ano sa'yo? Ay, tapos ka na?
Pero masarap.
Ayori, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.